Hey, so guys, thus concludes my little Spire tutorial course thing. I'm going to end with just making a few sounds. We're going to hit that init button, and I recommend that you use signal analyzers to see what's going on. Right, so we start out with a saw wave, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to increase the attack, so it fades up a little bit, and then increase the release. I want to stack up a bunch of voices. Now this is where Spire really shines because it's very CPU efficient with voice stacking in unison. So we'll just turn that up. Right. So now I might want a very gentle kind of filter. So I will go acid, low pass 1, cool. Right, and we have that, and that works pretty well. We can, take away the attack. Right, and that's before the effects. So we can have a bit of reverb and a bit of delay. Right, maybe that's a little bit too much. We'll go 1/8 and then 1/4. We'll have it wide. Sounds pretty full. Let's init that. Let's go bass. So we will go square. Right? And we already have our cutoff set here, so we'll go infecto again. Right, so we have a bass, and that's because the cutoff is already mapped there. And that's your basic bass. That wasn't very exciting. We'll have the filter completely open, and we'll do kind of the same thing, but we will add a bit of distortion, or a lot of distortion, because YOLO. Yeah, we'll go hard maybe. That was a lot of grit, and we'll have the wet dry kind of mixed here. And we will add a low shelf. I'll actually turn the EQ on, maybe that'll help. The heck. Yeah, that's pretty bottomy. We'll filter it out, but we won't have it modulated. Right, and we can see that that's basically what that did. We can change the pulse width, which is something I should have done before, but yeah, we can change the pulse width and give it more bite. Right, and that's a neat technique. I'll show you something else, what you can do with the infected one. We can go band pass. We'll turn that off, go away. Right, so we have that. What we'll do is we will tube it maybe. Let's give that a try. We'll bring the cutoff down till when it bites. Maybe we'll try a different. What was that? Yeah, that sounds okay. The X comp, that's always super fun. And we'll give the top end a bit more presence. I won't, make it all farty, but whatever. Neat, I guess. Did I already do? Yeah, I already did So I'm going to do one more, and I'm just going to show you the famous talking man that I enjoy. We're buds. Right, so I'm going to have that pre-shaper. So I want to map this frequency of this vowel filter to a stepper. So how would I do that? Well, I'll do this first, do that, and then I will have a stepper 1 map to, let's find it. So that's phaser frequency in theory. Awesome. Actually, I have it in the other way. We can have this slower. And we can change that around. I'll have this one reversed. I'll have that doubled up. Maybe a triple. That sounds fun. Yeah. And we can, map that to our LFO also. When I broke it. Oh, never mind. We'll have the this going to our phaser. And even have more of a square, have it free running. You can just go to town or downtown or to the city or wherever you want to go. Yeah, and that is Spire and most of its glory. That's it. All right. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one and take care.